Today we're going to add a train whistle to our train. We made this ahead of time. You cut a certain angle into this and glue a dowel in there, and it makes a certain tone. And we got two different tones here to make a more of a train sound than a whistle sound. And while we're wrenching on Thomas, I don't know the last time he's had an oil change, so we're gonna pop the hood off and change the oil. Brody, come here. You got your Thomas working on clothes today? Okay. Okay. This is Connor's new drill he got for Christmas, so he's excited to fire it up. There you go. This smokestack isn't particularly comfortable on the butt. Go down to speed 1 on this. There it is. Ooh, that's hot. Don't touch that. Yay! Yay! All right, somebody hand me the whistle.
I got the whistle.
There's an H in the whistle, so it's whistle. See if it fits. Bing, bang, boom. Oh, the wind fits. Blow as hard as you can, Brody.
It's running.
We're gonna experiment a little with compressed air. Hopefully we don't blow it apart. Ready? Oh, that was an accident. I didn't mean to hit the trigger. Ready? That sounds cooler. That's more train-like.
Well,
What?
with the air.
What? What?
With the air, it sounds more old.
It sounds more like Thomas. Thomas has more of a peep peep than a normal big train. For now, we just put a portable tank on top here and really strapped it down. All right, here's the finished product inside. That's where the whistle comes through the front. Comes over to a tube. Got just a regular pneumatic spring-loaded valve here. Tied a piece of string to the handle and just went up and over to here. Proper amount of droop as per train regulations. And it just goes back to the tank back here. We'll go out. All right, next we're gonna pull the hood off and just check it over. Change the oil and just look at it, make sure the belts aren't about to shred or anything like that. Just make sure everything's okay down there. Just come straight out. At some point it's gonna wanna fall down. There we go. There you go. All right, there he is. A lot of people ask me what powers Thomas. Some people even ask me if it has an engine or if it's just for show. With the hood off, or the nose, or the front half, or whatever you want to call it, it's pretty easy to see. It's just a regular old Sears tractor. I don't even remember what year it is, 72, something like that. And really all we did was just add some bracing here and there to hang the body off of. Battery and gas tanks in the stock location. Take that drain cap off of there. See what kind of Earl we get out of this. Up. Lefty loosey. Or upsy loosey in this case. When the time comes. There it goes. And it's touching the frame a little bit. Be better with a longer drain nipple on there. Loosen that up, it should drain out faster. Remember, pushing as hard as you can. I'll give you the assist.
Nope.
Don't need the assist? You don't need the assist, everybody.
I think I just needed to learn the lesson of pushing it in.
Yeah, that's the whole thing. Push in as hard as you can. All right. You got it?
Catch it.
All right. Yeah, that belt is loose. Connor was right. We got a loose belt here, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now that we got the bolt loose, put just a little tension on it. Make sure the belt, you should be able to deflect it about 1 belt width is what you want. So you take the ratchet, tighten that bolt down. Not so tight that you slip off and mash your knuckles. The other way. Oops, that's my fault. Okay, crank it right down. Just like with the screwdriver, you want to keep inward pressure while you're turning. Now I should be able to go with this. All right, we got us a tight belt now. Long life. This is the extra long life engine, Connor. This should last forever. Timken bearings, solid state ignition. Whew. She's a Cadillac. Okay, Connor's final tightening that. Remember, push in. All right, we got our yearly maintenance done. I just can't get over how weird it looks with the front end off. You can pick that side up. Got a chunky butt. All right, Thomas is whole again. All right, Brody went to visit Grandma for a while, so we're gonna go pick him up with his new peeper horn. Connor's gonna drive the four-wheeler. You wanna go for a ride, buddy?
Yeah.
It worked out good, huh? Hit it again, bro. All right, thanks, Grandma.
Yep, see ya.
Ready, bud?
I brought it.
Ready, bud? Running out of air. Brody, saddle up, buddy. Get in, Thomas. Hop in, bud. We gotta go catch your brother over there doing donuts or whatever he's doing. You gotta pull it hard, buddy, like this. Okay. Now he's brave. Good one. Brody, is Thomas your buddy?
Yes.
Good. All right, hit it, Brody.